Hola everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Marianelly. I did upload a couple of shorts showing you guys how I've been recently styling my curls, and I've been really loving this new technique that I've been doing to my curls. It just gives me more volume and I just get a lot of more ringlets. So I wanted to do a full-length video to show you guys what I've been recently doing, because you can only show so much in the 1-minute videos. So if you guys have been watching me here on my YouTube channel, you guys know that when I first started, I would always talk about the diamond brush, which is this diamond brush here. This is the D9, I believe. I'm not sure. But yeah, I was super obsessed with this brush. It was the only brush that I used to style my curls. Until recently, a couple months back, I started to use a Boar bristle brush. And this is a brush that I've been recently obsessed with. It is from Briogeo. It is their vegan Boar bristle brush. I've been obsessed with this brush, and the reason why I feel it's because of the boar bristles. As you guys can see, like, it has those little boar bristles that I'm talking about, and they just help clump up your curls. I don't know, I just feel like the diamond brush clumps your curls, but not like this one. I feel like this one is great for anyone who has wavy hair. If you guys are struggling to really like get curl definition, get yourself a Boar bristle brush and see how it works out. Honestly, I've been obsessed with it. Aside from me using my Boar bristle brush, I have also been using a wide tooth comb, like this one here. And the reason why I use this one, well, I use this one first, and then my comb is to get curl separation and just get like a lot of more curl clumps. I'm gonna show you guys how how I style my curls, and just explain to you the difference and why I do it, because I feel like I said, like, in 1-minute video I can't really explain everything I want to explain. Like I said, I already washed my hair, and I'm gonna quickly just try to do this video. Okay, so I'm gonna separate. Well, I'm gonna start from the bottom as always. So for my styling products for today, I'm gonna start off by using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Leave-In. And then for my curl cream, I'm gonna be using the NatureLap Tokyo Perfect Texture Curl Cream. And then I'm gonna also be going in with the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream. And then for gel, I'm gonna be using the Curlsmith Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. Water is key, so make sure your hair is nice and wet before applying your styling products. Okay, so I already applied all my products. The only thing I didn't add was the jelly, because I'm gonna be glazing this at the end. So, okay, I like to grab big sections kinda. That way I get a lot of curl clumps together, and then with the comb, I'm gonna go ahead and create smaller curl clumps. So that's why I like to grab like a big section kinda and just brush it. So I brush it a couple times, and then you can see, well, okay, so make sure everything's packed up together. And there you can see how everything is nice and smooth. So I let that fall. Well, don't let it fall, hold it. Then I grab my comb and I just slightly brush through it, and you can already see all those small curl clumps, and that's what I like, because well, that's what I'm looking for, because for me this creates a lot more volume. So yeah, I'm gonna grab another section. This is a little too big, so I'm just gonna create another small section. So that, and I'm just gonna brush it a couple times, just packing up all my hair. Okay, and then going with this. Don't fall. And then you want to scrunch lightly without creating a frizz. Be gentle. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna grab a big chunk, and I just feel like vertical brushing works out better than underneath. Like, I don't know, yeah, I just feel like it works better for me. I don't ever like really do like underneath, like so, you see. So I just feel like vertical is better. It just like stretches out all your curls better, you see. So yeah, this is very important. Then use the comb, give it a little shake. This side that I'm doing right now is like my bad side. Like I have different curl patterns throughout my whole hair, but this side is just very dry for me. I always struggle with styling this side of my head. This side is very moisturized. I don't really struggle with it. My curls like really spring up really nice, so I don't have to finger coil or do anything because like I said, it's very moisturized and the curl pattern is just different. Like on this side, it's just, it gets very frizzy. My curl pattern, it's not as defined as this side. To fix that problem, I like to finger coil this side. I don't do it to this side, I only do it to this side. So I'm gonna show you what I like to do to like kind of like match it. So I'll grab like already like the little curl clumps. I'll grab like, for example, a curl clump like this. I'll do finger rolling. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have already seen this technique, which where you like tuck it underneath. Like, I mean, you tuck it underneath your other finger and you just start rolling it and create a ringlet, right? So this is what I'll do. I'll also wrap it around my finger like this and start twisting it. This way it's just gonna create different curl patterns. It's not gonna be the same or perfect curl, because I feel like you get the perfect curl when you finger roll like this, right? But I mean, my hair, like I said, it's not perfect, so I like to do different curl techniques so my curl pattern kind of matches this one. So I'll just grab small strands and I'll just finger roll. But yeah, this is the technique I'll do only on this side just to match up my curls. So it's literally only that little section that I'm actually working on that is like kind of dry and my curl pattern is kind of like weird. The curls on top are pretty good. I don't have to do anything. They're my natural curls. That's how they naturally curl. But yeah, it's only that little side. I don't know, it's so weird. Once I have finger coiled my section, I like to scrunch it lightly just to encourage more curl definition. I do have another technique that I'm gonna share in another video, but for now this is what I like to do just to like match up my curl pattern. So after styling my whole hair, I'll just go ahead and scrunch my hair lightly and then I'll diffuse. Okay, so I am done diffusing my hair and I have a cast. So I'm gonna break it using oil and I'm gonna be using the Briogeo Farewell Frizz. I feel like doing this technique is way better than what I usually used to do, where I created a bunch of curl clumps and then I would have to separate them one by one at the end once I had a cast. But with this, I just feel like it's much easier. I don't have to like separate curl clumps because they're already separated as I brushed. So I feel like this is in a sense kind of like saves you time, because now I don't have to break curl clumps. Like technically all of my clumps are like kind of broken. Maybe there'll be like one or two that I'll have to break, but other than that, pretty much I already have all the curl separation that I want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use oil to break the cast and just like fluff out my curls. So I just go like this. I've been doing this, like I'll get little sections and just like glaze them with the oil. So now to fluff out my curls, I get my diffuser again. So what I like to do to like fluff out my curls is put my diffuser at low heat and high airflow. That way like I get a lot of airflow and it just like fluffs out my curls. So I'm gonna put it on mute and just show you guys how I do this. So I pretty much just like press my curls with the diffuser, and I give the diffuser like a shake to shake out my curls, and this is just gonna fluff out my curls. But yeah, these are my final results. Like I said, I've been obsessed with this styling technique. I just love this technique because it gives me so much volume. It gives me a lot of ringlets that I love. And I just feel like it's less time consuming to style my hair because I don't have to keep breaking apart a bunch of curl clumps. If you guys try this out, please let me know how it works out for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. And I hope you guys are back to see my next video. Bye guys.